Good morning. I'm Marielena Chaparisa and I'm 38 years old. I study psychology at the UNAD in Pasto City, and I work in a small photography place in a wonderful town called Florida, where I live with my family, my husband Giovanni, and my 4 children, Angela, Daniel, Manuel, and Juan Felipe. Hobbies. In my free time, I love to dance and or do aerobics with my friends of the neighborhood. I enjoy so much these moments because they are fun and I feel happy. Personal description. I am short and white skin. I have black string and long hair. My eyes are small and brown. My nose is big and my mouth is small. I love to put on makeup and dress informally. And I consider myself as intelligent, organized, and responsible person. Important aspects of my life. Values, which are the ones that my parents taught me and have been fundamental in my life to become the person that I am. My family, who support me in my decision and in my motivation to improve myself and go ahead. My study in the psychology to be a professional in this field has been my dream, and I feel happy to do what I most want. I know that I will be a great professional to help people who need and are around me. Thank you. Bye.